welcome to Cognitio. So till now we have covered number data type, string data type, and how we can define a variable and how we can print those variable and values using different format and methods. So now it comes very interesting data type, list. The list name itself gives you intuition that it stores different type of variable and values into a collection, or you can say a sequential manner. So list is nothing but a collection of sequential data type and sequential values inside it, and it can store different type of data type inside one list itself. Okay, I'll come to that point, what I exactly mean into that. Okay, so for creating a list, you have to write bracket, and inside that the every element of that list will be separated with comma. So I'll store 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's a list of 5 integers in a sequential manner, and again I can store it inside a variable like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll print list. It will print as a list. The type of the list would be list. I can also store string data types inside it, like ABC, XYZ, MNQ, QR, QUE. Okay, and the type again would be list itself. I can also store different data types inside one list itself, like 1, 2, 4, and then a string as well, XYZ. If I'll print the list 3, it will print this one. So list is nothing but a collection of different type of variables inside one umbrella itself in sequential manner. Like in the string we discussed, we can also get the data from any list using the indexes. The index of the list also starts from 0, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, like it goes like that. So if I want to grab the first element of the list 3, so I have to write it list 3, the first element, so index would be 0, so it will grab 1. If I want the list 3 to grab the third element, means 4, so I have to write it down on the 2. If I want to grab the last one, so it's again the -1, the same operation, I'm sorry for that, list 3 -1, so it's XYZ. If I want to grab something from particular index until end, so it's last 3. If I want to grab 4 ABC and XYZ, so what I'll do is I'll put 2 and colon, means after 2 till the end of the list, it will give you a slice of that particular list. And again you noticed about the out, so it's returning that value. List 3, if I want 1, 2 and 4, so what I'll do is slice of 3. 3 means you will give just give me a value till 2, not the third. Excluding the third, just give me the value till third, excluding that. So I'll get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 4. Again, list can be a collection where we can store a nested list as well, like nested list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again inside a list itself I can store a list, so it can be 7, 8, 9, and again you can go on like 10 and 11. So if you will print the type of this nested it's list itself. If I want to locate 7, so what I'll have to do is I have to type nested, and if you will see is 0 1 2 3 4, and this whole element is inside a fifth index. So yeah, so we get this. And if I want to grab inside that, again I can write it using again second parenthesis, and it's 0th position. So I'll grab the 7. If I want to grab the 11, so I have to do is nested list 5. So if I want to target this particular list, so this is 0 1 2 and 3, so I'll put 3. So if you will see a list itself, and again nested list 5 and then 3, and if I want to grab the 11, it's on the first index, so I'll grab the 1. Okay, so till now I think I'm clear. Just comment if you want to, if you have any doubt or some you don't understand anything. Okay, so like dictionary I'm sorry, like list is a collection of data in sequential manner. Okay, so this is a sequential manner. But if I want to store any data with respect to its keys, so we can store it using a dictionary. So what exactly the dictionaries are, like if I define a dictionary and store it a variable d, so dictionary starts with bracket curly braces, and the benefit of the key in the dictionary is it stores corresponding to particular key. So key can be of any data type, like I am storing right now as a. So against a, if I want I'll demand the a, it will give some value, hello, and against the b key I'll get world. Okay, so if I'll print it, that this will give a result like this. Again, if you will you can check that data type of this is dict, which is dictionary. Again, if I want to grab hello, what I have to do is I have to pass d and a bracket, and earlier you noticed in the list that we were passing the indexes, but now we don't have to pass the indexes. We will directly pass the key, and it will give the corresponding value from that dictionary. So the result would be hello. If I want to grab world, I'll do b, and it will give you a world as a output. You can also store like d1 is equal to 1, and after that 1 2 3 4 5 2 6 7 8 9 0 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, and a as this and b as hello. So this is a more complex thing, where if I want to grab 1 2 3 4 5, what I'll do is I'll pass 1, and it will give directly. The key was integer, and that's why I put it without quotes over here. If I want to grab 1 2 3 2 3, I have to do it like this, because the key was in string, so I have to pass the string over here. Okay, like list itself, we can store and have a collection of any data type inside it. Means I can have a nested dictionary as well, and I can store list, string, and all those things inside a dictionary as well. So I'll first go with the nested one. So it's d2 is equal to b is equal to, again, inside a b dictionary b key, I'm not storing a value, but I am storing a dictionary itself as a value. So over here it's xyz, it will give you 1 2 3 1 2 3, and abc will give you 2 3 1, and like that. If I want to grab 1 2 3, what I have to do is I have to pass d2 and then the b the b codes, and then d2 b. So if I want to grab, again you will see that the output is dictionary. So if I want to grab 1 2 3, I have to treat it like a dictionary itself and pass the key over there. So the key was xyz, and I'll get 1 2 3. I can also okay, the second thing was I can also store list inside a dictionary, like against any like name is Ram, Shyam, John, and like this. And also I can store phone as list itself, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 2 1, like this. Okay, if I want to grab the name John, what I have to do is I have to pass the key as name, so I'll get all the names inside that dictionary. And if I want to grab a particular zone, because this is a list, again I have to pass the index, right, not the keys. So over there in the list we don't have keys. So what I'll do is name, and after that I want the third element, means the second the index would be 2, and I got the zone. Again, if you can play around with this and understand how it's working. So throughout this course what we discussed is how we can create the list, how we can store it, know the data types, and how we can manipulate it to grab some particular subset of the list. And then we can also create a nested list as well, and we can locate it using the nested format. And now the dictionaries is a collection of data against its key, but it's not sequential. It's stored based on its best memory allocations as per the compiler and all those things, not compiler, interpreter. And then we can also grab the data inside the dictionary using passing the key, and the dictionary can be nested, means it can have a nested dictionary inside it, or we can store a nested list as well inside a dictionary. Okay, so just play around with this. I'll provide the other practices and all those things in the description. So thank you for watching this video. Just like and comment if you want to know anything, or just give a suggestion. Share this video to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.